Hello guys, Ryan here, also known as the boy who blends on Instagram. Welcome to my video. Today I'm here to share with you the unboxing of a brand new appliance released by Froothie, the official Optimum distributor in Australia, Europe and all over the world. You might have seen some of my creations using the Optimum G2.6, the one I call my beast blender. But today I'm introducing you to the newest family member of Froothie, the Optimum 9400X. A fusion of heavy-duty jug with an extremely powerful motor combined to form a monster blender. The Optimum Vortex Blender is the most versatile and durable appliance on the market, made with the most robust parts and finest functions. The Optimum Vortex Blender is the essential kitchen appliance to make your life easier and healthier. It can blend, chop, process, mix and heat foods. The stainless steel blades can cut through just about anything, even rocks. So guys, let's get through this newest blender out of the box. As we open, we have here the original recipe book with more than 100 pages of easy and delicious recipes. The warranty registration that should be kept in a safe place, knowing that Froothie is well known for their outstanding customer service department, which doesn't keep you hanging or waiting. And the user manual, which really explains every detail about the 9400 Extreme. This blender from Froothie weighs around 8 kilograms. Looking in the market, for example, other known brands' commercial blenders come with a 1.4 liter jug set. On the other hand, Froothie's 9400X originally comes with a large wet and dry 1.8 liter jug set, which is way easier when preparing a smoothie. Like all Optimum blenders, their jugs are UL/CE and FDA approved Eastman copolyester BPA free with lid and cap. Similar to the Optimum G2.6, the 9400X also has 6 stainless steel blades, which gives you a more efficient yet smoother texture to your soups and pulverizes the thickest ingredients with no hassle and no struggle. Having the word Optimum curved on the blade assembly lets me know that it's the original one. Also, the connecting parts are of stainless steel as well, making the Optimum 9400X a heavy-duty and commercial blender. Like all other Optimum appliances, the 9400X comes with a heavy-duty tamper tool for improved processing and mixing. Featuring an easy-to-use digital control panel, the 9400X's base comes equipped with 5 manual programs that you can set for various drinks, smoothies, and shakes that you prepare at your establishment. Simply set the time, speed, and duration for blending, and the 9400X saves these settings for you. All you have to do next time you want to quickly prepare the same drink or recipe is to select your pre-programmed function and the blender will do the rest. With 5 programs available, you are able to make a variety of your top-selling recipes simply with the touch of a button, ensuring perfection and consistency time and time again. The Optimum 9400X Vortex Blender features an overload protection fault switch, which ensures that the machine is protected against overload damage. In the unlikely event that the machine overheats, this feature allows you to keep blending without having to switch it off until the motor cools down. Recent tests have shown that the Optimum Vortex Blender motor is far quieter than its competitors. While it usually operates at just 80 to 85 decibels, you can reduce the noise level even further to 40 decibels with the optional sound cover for your 9400X. This officially makes the Optimum Vortex Blender the industry's quietest blender for your family or workplace. Optimum blenders are the best in making delicious nut butters, nut milks, grinding nuts and grains, hot soups, doughs, spreads, dressings, omelets, ice cream, smoothie bowls, and much more. For inspiration, check out Froothie's YouTube channel, Instagram or Facebook account to keep updated on all new recipes, releases and deals. So guys, still searching for a blender to buy? Smoother end products, faster blends, huge reduction in oxidation of ingredients. Although it has recently become popular as a domestic blender, the Optimum 9400X Vortex Blender was originally designed for heavy-duty commercial use. It doesn't matter whether you're a professional working in a cafe or juice bar, or a busy parent creating fresh, healthy meals at home. Either way, you don't have time to mess around. You need a blender that keeps pace with your hectic lifestyle. The Optimum 9400X Vortex Blender is powerful enough to meet the demands of commercial use while being simple and affordable enough to the average family meals. Froothie takes pride in providing great services, quality products, and is well known of their 5-star ongoing support and advice to help their customers make the most out of it. That's why they make sure they're only ever a phone call away or an email away. At Froothie, we are committed to customer satisfaction. If you are not happy, we're not. Don't forget to join our new community group on Facebook where we promptly answer any question you may have. Plus, you can chat to our beautiful community and family.